له علاج تجري بحث عليه. إذا علاج مالك استفاد من عند هذا الشخص. Okay, maybe you can apply the same remedy or the same cure to a next person, to another case. Okay, this is qualitative researches. The sample will be less. Okay, so qualitative methodology or approach usually explores attitudes, اتجاهات، توجهات، behaviors، تصرفات and experiences، الخبرات. تعاملنا هنا مع الرغبات والتصرفات خبرة الناس. Okay, so here we are going to deal with these things, not with numerical values. Okay, interview or focus groups can be used with such methodology. في هذه البحوث نستخدم مقابلة or focus group، نوع من أنواع methodology، أدوات البحث. focus group, we will deal with it in the next chapter or chapter 3. Okay. The sample of the participants in such researches are fewer than the quantitative methodology. Okay, this research methodology needs the researcher to be a little longer. Okay, البحوث هنا عادة تكون أطول، عملها يكون أطول. البحوث الكمية نتعامل مع أرقام كبيرة، أعداد، عينة كبيرة، وقتها يخلص maybe 3 months 4 months 5 months. Okay, here such researches will be little longer. Okay, such research maybe 4 years, 10 years, maybe 50 years. Okay, in such researches. For example, if you are to study human behavior. أحمد وادي انتظر. Okay, silent please. Okay, انتظر. Okay, if you are studying human behavior, you are going to, for example, during or through lifetime. Okay, lifetime. If you are going to study the age of teenage. Okay, teenagers. You are going to study individuals across their years from 12 to 18 19 20. يعني تدرس مثلا تصرفات المراهقين. المراهق تبدأ في عمر 11 أو 12 تنتهي 20 19. Okay, so these are years. Here researches are longer than in quantitative researches. Okay, these I want you to differentiate between quantitative and qualitative, and so okay, the differences between quantitative and qualitative researches. Okay, qualitative research deals with recording, analyzing, and discovering underlying meaning of human behavior. يعني ندرس خفايا تصرفات البشرية، أفعال التصرفات البشرية، emotions or beliefs، اعتقادات. Its primary goal or its goal is to provide a rich understanding، فهم لحقيقة الإنسان. Okay, of people, experiences and reactions in certain circumstances. Okay, qualitative researches associated with social realities، حقائق اجتماعية، and can be generalized. في بعض الأحيان يعني يمكن أن نعممها على البقية. Okay, so this is a qualitative researches. Example of qualitative research. Example, Mr. Campbell is conducting a research in which he intends to interview. انظر تعال شوف، انظر يعني راح يجري بحث يقابل به منو المشاركين to learn about the cognitive strategies، حتى يتعرف على الاستراتيجيات المعرفية they employ in writing compositions التي يوظفونها في كتابة راح يسألهم أنت شلون تكتب الإنشاء؟ تكتبه بالعربي بعدين تحوله إنجليزي؟ لو تفكر به مباشرة إنجليزي؟ لو تستجمع أفكارك؟ لو أوكي this is interview يعني راح يقابل واحد ويكتب هذا كذا هذا كذا هذا كذا أوكي. Another example, Michael wants to explore students' attitudes اتجاهات towards learning mathematics اتجاهات الطلبة نحو دراسة الرياضيات. Okay, so in qualitative researches there are 4 basic examples of quantitative researches. They are action research, ethnography, feminist research, and ground theory. We are going to talk about all of these 4 basic examples of qualitative researches. The first one, which is action research. In action research, here the researcher himself works side by side or works along with a group of people to improve a situation in a particular setting. The researcher does not do a research on people, but instead works with them, acting as a facilitator. Okay? Do you understand? مثال. Okay, example. مثل المنظمات اللي تشتغل عندنا ستة. كثير ناس يشتغلون بالمنظمات، لربما هو باحث ويشتغل بالمنظمة، فيما بعد يشتغل بالنهار بالمنظمة، بالليل يكتب بحث، قمنا بفعل كذا، قمنا بفعل مداراة الناس كذا، طلعنا على مشاكلهم قدمنا برنامج لحل مشاكل الناس، قدمنا مساعدات، قدمنا كذا، استعنا بخبراء، أتينا قدمنا هاي النصائح، كانت ذات يعني طابع إيجابي، لقينا أمور صحيحة، عالجنا كثير أمور. This is an action research، بحركة، بعمل ويا sample. Okay, here the researcher himself works side by side with the group which is the sample. It is called action research. Okay, he works as a facilitator. Okay, I want you to read about it in your book. Okay, there's a good explanation about action research in your book. Okay, and this is the end of our lecture. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you.